Hey, it's Glen with Warmboard here, and I'm in Rumson, New Jersey on a beautiful, beautiful day. We got a new project starting here, and it's a Warmboard-S project. And this is a nice project, staged nicely. So you see the Warmboard comes palletized, actually comes wrapped too. They take the tarps off at this point. You'll notice spray paint down the sides of the panels, coordinated with the colors on the plans, either green, yellow, red, or blue panels. We do recommend staging it, putting the panels out in the various color piles so that once you get rolling on the deck itself, it's just a matter of pulling the appropriate color that the plan tells you. So we get a lot of questions about what to do for areas where they do not want heat. So we do have Warmboard filler panels that are the same 1.1 thickness as our radiant panel. And so if there is an area, maybe under a kitchen island, but we don't necessarily recommend that, or perhaps a wine cellar, something along those lines, we can drop filler panels in those areas.